Hi, everybody. So, less than a half an hour ago, there was a reported 4.1 magnitude here in Southern California, really close to Oxnard, California. And let's just take a look at exactly where this is. Oh, shoot. Oh, come on. Come on. Work with me. Work with me. Let's go. Let's go. Right off the shore of, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is where this event took place. Obviously, many people felt this quake right beyond the mountains right there, which is pretty interesting. Santa Paula, Oxnard. It's pretty interesting because literally, like, this earthquake right here that happened, right around here, there's 7 underwater volcanoes. So that's kind of rather interesting to me because some people have traveled into this area and they've seen like hot gas bubbles just like boop, boop, like, you know, popping up, which is really interesting to me because it's like Santa Barbara right here. Yeah, exactly. So this is where this earthquake happened. Let's look at the general area. You can see the scarp right there. There's a land scarp right there. Pretty interesting. So, I mean, like they say, like, oh, LA is like ripping apart. Da, da, da. I mean, it very much could be happening. I mean, little by little. So, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update because it's a little bit significant because I feel like the first area that's going to rip off is going to be California. The second area is going to be Africa. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update, and I will try to keep making more videos. I know I've been very inconsistent, but I will try not to be inconsistent, especially if you guys like my videos, enjoy my videos. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think, and it will definitely, you know, give me motivation to actually continue because I'm not really sure if anyone enjoys my videos. Well, some, but who knows. Anyways, you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. Hopefully you guys stay safe, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.